So you want insane benefits. You want the most cost-effective way to look years younger. In fact, cost-effective? How about under $3? You want K-Beauty made and inspired. Think the baby face, and you want it travel friendly like my LED mask. You pretty much want instant results. We all do, but you want premium ingredients, real, safe, effective ingredients. The solution is a device and a serum that infuses clear, smooth, vibrant, filtered, quote unquote, filtered skin. By filter, I mean this. You can turn off your camera filter and live it in real life. Sustainable? Yes, I made mine so they won't end up in a landfill for years to come. More on that later, but I know some of you are going to want to pair these with inexpensive skincare to step up that game, or you're looking to add a premium product to your already perfect device routine. Layering on luxury, so to speak. That's what you need. So what are they? Well, look here from my last trip to Southeast Asia and Korea. They're found in every corner store, skincare store, even the 7-Elevens that I went into. And in fact, 7-Eleven even has their own branded ones. It's nuts. Why? Why are they everywhere? Well, here's the secret. They're effective, they're instant, they're meditative, you get glow, and you get filter smooth results. Here's a warning for you, however. You won't find them easily in the USA or Canada unless you stumble across sketchy discount sites selling them as knockoffs, expired stock, or factory rejects. These often get dumped onto the gray market where fakes and second-rate products circulate. And that's exactly how people get burned and they stop using them. It's sad because they work so well if you get real. In fact, I met with a popular company while I was in Korea and I said, hey, I'll carry your mask on my website. And they took a second. They kind of looked odd at me. They raised their eyebrow and they go, Rajani, we can't. Because what people do is they take our brand, they get them made in a secondary factory, bad ingredients, microplastics, bad products, and they dump them onto, sites like this that you all buy from. But it's not really their brand. And they said they'll undercut you because they're making them for pennies. Just be careful. So what did I do for my clients? Well, I made my own for them and now available for you, but only after trying over 100 Korean sheet masks and ingredients. That would have been a great video if I had showed you that. Yeah, I tried them all. It was fun, but certainly exhausting. Now, before I show you details on how this actually works and why, let me share what I put together for viewers of this channel today. I'm making my top 3 available to you at my cost. Yes, just $3 a mask. I'll pin the link to the top of the comment section of this video and I'll put it in the more info section as well so you can access it, or you can simply go to store.rajanimd.com. I'll have them there for you today. Now, I only have a few 100,000 for now that are available, but first come, first serve, and for 20 masks, you get them at $3 a piece. Here's the thing though, I am limiting purchase to 200 masks, so everyone has the opportunity to have some. We know that some vendors and boutiques will want to buy all of these out, but that's not my goal. It's for viewers of the channel to have an opportunity to access these. Now, the best part about buying these, it's a shipping nightmare for me on my end, but for you, I've set it up so you can mix and match between the SKUs, like a DJ, like DJ Rajani. Just mix and match what you want, exactly the ones you want. Think Snail Mucin, Avocado, or original Korean bright and tight varieties. More on ingredient details in a minute, but first, why these get results. Oh, before we go on, I made these to exactly my specifications and ingredients. You won't find these anywhere else. I determined the best of the best and made them to my custom specs for my clients and for now you. Also, there's no filler products or filler ingredients in them. Pure skin goodness, clinically clean radiance. Number 1, think serum saturation. The juice is worth the squeeze here. It's all about high bioavailability and prolonged dermal absorption. Prolonged. You want these masks to sit there and they're kind of like an occlusive. A sheet mask should be drenched in serum. Have you ever opened your packet to find out that you've been shortchanged on the serum? After all, that's where the magic happens. We call it essence. In K-Beauty, essence refers to a lightweight but nutrient-dense fluid. My masks are designed to hydrate the skin, enhance the absorption of active ingredients, and deliver targeted benefits. Targeted, think brightening, firming, and soothing. Each one's a little different. Now, to be truly overall youthful, your face must match your body. So I created a well-designed, saturated mask that not only treats your face, but I included enough excess essence serum to pamper your neck, décolletage, hands, of course, and body, because maintaining your face is not enough. We want to maintain our body too. Yeah. Your face may be the VIP, but your neck, the hands, the knees, and the abdomen, the elbows, well, they're definitely on the guest list too. Think of it like pouring a glass of champagne and having enough left to toast the whole table. It just makes sense, makes you feel good. You see, when you have a mask suspending nutrient-rich serums providing extended hydration and treatment benefits, think of it like what we do with PRF in the face. PRF forms that fibrin scaffold that suspends the growth factors, exosomes, and stem cells in your face. The mask, likewise, sits on the face to infuse. Think of the essence in a sheet mask like a vitamin-infused bath for your face. The sheet holds the bath water in place so your skin can drink it all in. And that's exactly why number 2 matters. Material matters. What's the material here? It's the fabric of your mask. Few think about that. But imagine wrapping your face in a soft, comforting blanket. The fabric will play a crucial role in how effectively the mask delivers those nutrients to and in your skin. So what did I do? I made mine from a plant-based fiber made from sustainably sourced pulp. I was able to keep them ultra smooth and soft. In fact, smoother than silk against your skin. With, are you ready for the best part? No irritation. Because so many of my over 50 patients have sensitive and rosacea prone skin. So that was a factor here. It's a win. The cheap knockoff masks, one of the corners they cut is the material. They contain microplastics and other impurities, and that's what irritates the skin. Not these, not Rajani MD K-Beauty masks. I also made them highly absorbent. You'll see when you get them. So they hold and deliver more serum than the standard cloth masks. They also adhere snugly to the skin, allowing deeper penetration of these ingredients. They lock in like a breathable biomimetic layer. That's what you want, a biomimetic layer on your skin. And here's the best part, maybe what I'm most proud of, is they break down naturally when you're done. They're biodegradable, compostable, and kind to the planet. No microplastics, not here. In fact, when I did my video on Korea, I showed you they were even in my hotel room as a quote-unquote gift. Now tell me this, I want to hear from you. If you went into your hotel room and they gave you a beauty device like this, would you be offended? Because I know a lot of people would say, hey, I'd be offended if I found that in my hotel. What are they insinuating? Well, the Koreans are not, nor was I, because after 20 hours in the plane, I looked like a Shar-Pei in a steam room. Not good, and of course I had to go to work, so I put this on in the morning before. Let me describe the 3 masks with their hero ingredients. The full list, of course, is on my website, but they're packed. Each and every one is packed. But here's a light dive for your ingredient junkies now. My avocado mask is packed with lipid-loving fats. I love lipid-loving fats for the face and the fat pads. This is one you guys asked me for in the community poll I did a while back, and you said, yeah, I'd love an avocado mask. Why? And I know why you said it. Because it's packed with oleic acid and omega-9 and linoleic acid and omega-6. Your face fat, healthy face fat, is key to glow and youth. I also put Centella Asiatica extract, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid in this one. The next one you'll see is my original Bright and Tight. Everyone loved this one, and that's the mask that inspired all of this with Korean peptides, cherry, cocoa, and of course hyaluronic acid. Now the third one is my Snail Mucin Mask. Again, you guys asked for this one, and I know why. It's ubiquitous in Korea and Japan. I call this one the fine line eraser because in it, of course, is the snail mucin, which is amazing, but it also has seaweed I put in there, aloe. Aloe's surprisingly great for the skin in these masks, and hyaluronic acid. Again, you'll love it. You'll want to mix and match these exactly how you want at store.rajanimd.com. Have fun with it. Mix and match exactly what you want. And now, learn next level how to elevate your skincare regimen further by using 3 devices before your mask session. So before you put on these masks, number 1, LED light, number 2, plasmasomes, microneedling, and number 3, the new RF lifting device. I have playlists on exactly how to do all of these to keep your skin and body beautiful, healthy, and vibrant.